English to Pashto sentences. Is it possible? آیا دا ممکنه ده؟ Is it possible? Absolutely possible. بالکل ممکنه ده. Absolutely possible. Is your brother here? آیا ستا رور دلته دی؟ Is your brother here? Yes, he is here. او هغه دلته دی. Yes, he is here. No, he is not here. نه هغه دلته نشته. No, he is not here. What do you think? ته څه سوچ کوې؟ What do you think? I think it should be done. ما ته ښکاري چې دا کول پکار دي. I think it should be done. When does the game begin? لوبه کله شروع کیږي؟ When does the game begin? It will start shortly. دا به زر شروع شي. It will start shortly. It will start a little later. دا به لږ وخت پس شروع شي. It will start a little later. What's your last name? ستا آخري نوم څه دی؟ What's your last name? My last name is Roy. زما آخري نوم روی دی. My last name is Roy. When would you like to meet? ته به کله میلاوې د خوښۍ؟ When would you like to meet? When do you want to meet? ته کله میلاوې د غواړي؟ When do you want to meet? I would like to meet you at night. زه تا سره د شپې میلاوې د غواړم. I would like to meet you at night. Is there a doctor? آیا څوک ډاکټر شته؟ Is there a doctor? Yes, there is. او هلته شته. Yes, there is. Are you alone here? آیا ته دلته یوازې یې؟ Are you alone here? No, I stay with my parents. نه زه د خپل مور پلار سره اوسیږم. No, I stay with my parents. Can you give me a good hotel address? آیا ته ماله د یو ښه هوټل پته راکوی شي؟ Can you give me a good hotel address? Yes, of course. او بالکل. Yes, of course. Do you have an appointment? آیا تا د ملاقات وخت اغستی دی؟ Do you have an appointment? Yes, I have taken. او ما اغستی دی. Yes, I have taken. Do you smoke? آیا ته سیګرټ څکې؟ Do you smoke? No, I don't. نه زه نه څکم. No, I don't. Have you finished studying? آیا تا پڑھائی مکمل کړې ده؟ Have you finished studying? Yes, I have done. او ما مکمل کړې ده. Yes, I have done. Yes, I have finished. او ما ختم کړی دی. Yes, I have finished. How long does it take by car? دا په موټر کې څومره وخت اخلي؟ How long does it take by car? It takes about an hour. دا تقریبا یو گھنٹه اخلی. It takes about an hour. How much is this? دا پسو دی. How much is this? Only 10 rupees. صرف 10 روپے. Only 10 rupees. Is it raining now? آیا وز باران وریگی؟ Is it raining now? Yes, it raining now. او وز باران وریگی. Yes, it raining now. How long will you stay? تب سمر وقتی. How long will you stay? I will stay here only 10 days. زبدلت صرف لس ورزیم. I will stay here only 10 days. Have you ever eaten soup? آیا تا چرته سوپ خوړلې دی؟ Have you ever eaten soup? Or have you ever had soup? آیا تا چرته سوپ خوړلې دی؟ Have you ever had soup? Yes, I ate chicken soup once. او ما یو پیره chicken soup خوړلې وو. Yes, I ate chicken soup once. When do we leave? مونږ کله ځو. When do we leave? We will go a little later. مونږ به لږ ساعت وروستو ځو. We will go a little later. Where do you live? ته کوم ځای اوسیږي؟ Where do you live? I live in Paris. زه په پیرس کې اوسیږم. I live in Paris. Which is better? کوم یو ښه دی؟ Which is better? It's the best. دا ډیر ښه دی. It's the best. How are you today? نن ته څنګه یې؟ How are you today? I am much better today. زه نن ډیر ښه یم. I am much better today. How is business? کاروبار څنګه دی؟ How is business? Not very good. ډیر ښه نه دی. Not very good. What did you say? تاسو څه ووی؟ What did you say? I didn't say anything. ما هیڅ نه دی ویلی. I didn't say anything. Is there a bank nearby? خواوشا بینک شته کو؟ Is there a bank nearby? Yes, there is. او هغلته شته. Yes, there is. What is it? دا څه دی؟ What is it? It's a chicken salad. دا chicken salad دی. It's a chicken salad. What is the date today? نن څه تاریخ دی؟ What is the date today? Today is the 5th. نن 5م تاریخ دی. Today is the 5th. When will they come? هغوی به کله راځي؟ When will they come? They will come at night. هغوی به د شپې راځي. They will come at night. Will you go by plane or train? ته به په هوایي جهاز یا ریل ګاډي کې ځې. Will you go by plane or train? I will go by plane. زه به په هوایي جهاز کې ځم. I will go by plane. Do you have a car? آیا تا سره موټر شته؟ Do you have a car? We have 2 cars. مونږ سره 2 موټرې دي. We have 2 cars. What are your hobbies? ستا مشغلې څه دي؟ What are your hobbies? I love to play the piano. زما پیانو باجه وهل خوښ دي. I love to play the piano. What is that? دغه څه دي؟ What is that? That's a car. دغه یو موټر دی. That's a car. Do you know what this mean? آیا تا ته پته ده چې د دې څه مطلب دی؟ Do you know what this mean? No, I don't know. نه ما ته پته نشته. No, I don't know. Are you working? آیا ته کار کوي؟ Are you working? No, I will take leave. نه زه به چوټي اخلم. No, I will take leave. How long have you been here? ته د کلي نه دلته یې. How long have you been here? I have been here since morning. زه د سحر راسې دلته یم. I have been here since morning. I will stay here for a month. زه به دلته یو میاشت اوسم. I will stay here for a month. Is the battery connected correctly? آیا بیټري په صحیح طریقې سره پیوست ده؟ Is the battery connected correctly? Yes, it is connected properly. او دا صحیح پیوست ده. Yes, it is connected properly. Can I see your passport, please? آیا زه ستا پاسپورټ کتی شم؟ Can I see your passport, please? Yes, of course. او بالکل. Yes, of course. Do you want me to come and pick you up? آیا ته غواړې چې زه راشم او تا بوزم؟ Do you want me to come and pick you up? No, you don't have to come. نه تا ته د راتلو ضرورت نشته. No, you don't have to come. What are you two talking about? تاسو دواړه څه خبرې کوئ؟ What are you two talking about? We are talking about college. مونږ د کالج په باره کې خبرې کوو. We are talking about college. Where did you work before? تا وړومبی کوم ځای کار کاو؟ Where did you work before? No, I didn't work anywhere. نه ما هیڅ ځای کار نه دی کړی. No, I didn't work anywhere. Which is better, chicken or fish? کوم یو ښه دی؟ چرګ یا مېوې؟ Which is better, chicken or fish? I like fish more. زما مېوې ډېر خوښ دی. I like fish more. Can you please say that again? آیا تاسو دوباره ویلی شئ؟ Can you please say that again? Yes, I say again. او زه بیا ویم. Yes, I say again. Do you work in a drugstore? آیا ته د دوايانو په دکان کې کار کوي؟ Do you work in a drugstore? No, I work in a bank. نه زه په بینک کې کار کوم. No, I work in a bank. Could you exchange this, please? آیا ته دا بدلولی شي؟ Could you exchange this, please? No, your time is up. نه ستا وخت ختم شوی دی. No, your time is up. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.